The error message. The deployment operation failed because the volume is offline. Result: 0x8007-3D0D. This error typically occurs when trying to install or update applications on a drive that Windows identifies as unavailable. It's most often encountered during installations via the Microsoft Store or Xbox app, especially when targeting secondary drives. Method 1. Ensure the target drive is online and accessible. Before exploring other potential issues, first verify that the drive you're trying to install to is properly connected and recognized by Windows. If Windows detects the drive as offline, installations will fail, triggering this error. Open Disk Management by pressing Win+X and selecting Disk Management from the menu. In the lower section of the window, locate the target drive. Check its status. If it says offline, this could be the root of the problem. Right-click the drive and select Online to restore its accessibility. If the drive remains inaccessible, ensure it is physically connected and inspect the cables or connections for any issues. Method 2. Check drive health and file system integrity. Corrupted file systems or failing drives may cause Windows to perceive a drive as offline. Checking the drive's health can identify and fix these problems. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Run the following command: bash copy code chkdsk c:/f replace C with the letter of the drive experiencing the issue. For most users, the system drive, usually C, is where Windows installs new apps and other content. Allow the scan to complete. It will detect and fix any errors, which might take some time depending on the size of the drive and the number of issues found. Method 3. Set the system drive as the default installation location. Some applications are designed to install on the system drive, typically C. Selecting a different drive can lead to conflicts. Adjusting the default installation location to the system drive may resolve these issues. Press Win+I to open settings. Navigate to Storage and scroll down to change where new content is saved. Under New Apps will save to, change the default installation location to the system drive, usually C. Save your changes and retry the installation. If you're running low on space, you can test an alternative drive by manually selecting it during the installation process. Method 4. Verify update and store services. Our running Windows services related to updates and app installations may be disabled or malfunctioning, preventing applications from being installed. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter to open the services window. Look for services such as Windows Update Microsoft Store Install Service. Ensure these services are running. If a service is stopped, right-click it and select Start. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and successfully install your applications. Final tip: keeping your system and drives up to date helps prevent future errors and enhances overall performance. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe to Explodey FPS for more helpful tips.